Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to our math class. All right, so last week we discussed about solving word problems, right? And I also gave you a homework. Okay, so let's try to answer your math homework from last week. So everybody get your math workbook and open on page number 23. Let me just go ahead and share the page for you, class. Hold on. Math workbook, open on page 23. Are your kids ready?
Ready.
Okay, very good. All right, so kids, again, page 23, let's answer your homework. So number one, let's read first the problem and then let's find out the answer. Tamlung, can you read number one?
May
Bought
4,400 blueberries and 2,680 red beets.
Beads.
How many beets? How many beets did she buy?
Okay, so I'm gonna read the question one more time. May bought 4,400 blue beads and 2,680 red beads. So how many beads did she buy? So let's try to find out the answer. So all you have to do is to add the two numbers, 4,400 plus 2,680. What is the sum of these two numbers? What's the answer, Tamlung?
7,080.
Okay, very good. So the answer is 7,080. So 4,400 plus 2,680 is equals to 7,080. So check your answer, class. Check. The same, Mai? Your answer is the same? Okay. All right, now let's proceed to number two. Number two, who wants to answer number two? Raise your hands. Raise your hand. Number two. Number two. Anyone? Number two. Number two. Class, who wants to answer number two? Okay, I'm gonna call a name. Chumpu, number two. Can you read first the word problem?
แต่พอเราเซฟไปแล้วพอเรามาดูจะเป็นแบบนี้ใช่ไหมคะ
56,078
จะเห็นเหมือนที่ว่าไม่เห็นก่อนหน้านี้แต่อันนี้พอซับมิดไปแล้วเรากลับมาดูเรา
baby boys were born in 2018
ก็คือจะเหมือนต่อไปเมื่อสักครู่เนี่ยค่ะ
4,329 fewer baby girls were born. How many baby girls were born in 2018?
Okay, very good, Chumpu. So I'm going to read the problem one more time, okay? So number two, in a city, 56,078 baby boys were born in 2018 and 4,329 fewer baby girls were born The question is, how many baby girls were born in 2018? So in this problem class, we'll be using subtraction, okay, subtraction. So you have to minus the number of baby girls from the number of baby boys. So that's 56,078 minus 4,329. So what's the answer? Chompu, what is the answer for number 2? So you have to minus now 56,078 minus 4,329. Okay, what's the answer, class, for number 2?
51,749.
Okay, very good. So the answer is 51,749. Okay, very good. So check your answer, class. 5678 minus 4,329, that's 51,749. Okay, check your answer. All right, now let's proceed to number 3. Number 3, who wants to answer? Raise your hand. Who wants to read number 3? I only see Tamlung. Only Tamlung is raising her hand. What about the other student? Okay, I'm gonna call Mukmai.
Teacher, me pot big.
Okay, pot big. Okay, Moma, you will be next. Okay, Mukmai number 4. Number 3 is pot big. Okay, pot, read number 3.
Machine X can fill 21,700 cans of soda in 7 hours. Machine Y can fill 3,500 more house. How many cans of soda can machine 7 house?
Okay, so thank you, Pot. So I'm gonna read one more time. Machine X can fill 21,700 cans of soda in 7 hours. Machine Y can fill 3,500 more cans of soda in 7 hours. How many cans of soda can machine Y fill in 7 hours? So in this problem class, all you have to do is just to add 21,700 plus 3,500. So anyone who could give me the correct answer, that's 21,700 plus 3,500.
Me, Teacher Maria.
Okay. What's the answer?
75,200.
Okay, so the correct answer, class, is 25,200 cans of soda. Okay, so that's the answer. Check your answer, class.
I want to answer.
21,700 plus 3,500, so that's 25,200. Okay. Now, number 4, Mukmai, number 4.
There are 37,870 storybooks in a library. The remaining 16,450 books are different books. How many
Reference.
books
Again, this one is reference books.
reference books? How many books are there in the library?
Okay, thank you, Mukmai. So I'm going to read the problem one more time. There are 37,870 storybooks in a library. The remaining 16,450 books are reference books. How many books are there in the library? So in this problem class, it's very easy. You just have to add 37,870 plus 16,450. So that's 37,870 plus 16,450. Okay, what's the answer?
22,000.
22, Law?
54,320.
Okay, that's 54,320. That's correct. So check your answer. All right, now let's proceed to number 5. Number 5, Hoshi.
They are 18,350 types of flowering plants and 3,650 more types of non-flowering plants in a garden. How many types of plants are there in the garden?
Okay, so I'm gonna read one more time. Thank you, Hoshi. There are 18,350 types of flowering plants and 3,650 more types of non-flowering plants in the garden. How many types of plants are there in the garden? All right, so in this problem class, all you have to do is to do addition, okay? First is you have to add 18,350 plus 3,650.
22,000.
Okay, so that's 22,000, okay? And then we will add 22,000 and 18,350. So let's write it here. So we have 22,000 plus 18,350. So how many types of plants are there in the garden?
$40,350.
Again, Hushi, one more time.
40,350.
Okay, very good. So the answer is 40,350 types of plants in the garden. Okay, so that's the correct answer. Let me show to you. Here, first is we have to add 18,350 plus 3,650. That's 22,000. And then we add 22,000 plus 18,350. So that's 40,350. Okay, thank you, Hushi. All right, let's proceed to number 6. Number 6, what about, I'm going to call a name. Kaimok, number 6, please.
And sell 35,700 chocolate ice cream and 3,500 flavor vanilla ice cream. How many ice cream did he sell?
Okay, thank you, Kaimak. So I'm gonna read one more time. Number 6, Nan sold 35,700 chocolate ice creams and 3,500 fewer vanilla ice creams. The question is, how many ice creams did she sell? So in this problem, we need to use subtraction and addition, okay? First is, we have to minus 3,500 from 35,700, okay? All right, so what's the difference, class? 35,700 minus 3,500.
$67,900.
No, this one first. 35,000 minus 35,700 minus 3,500. This one first.
32,000.
Okay, so that's 32,000 what?
200. 200.
Okay, so that's 32,200. Now, what we're going to do is we add 32,200 plus 35,700.
Me, Hoshi.
Okay, what's the answer, Hushi?
67,900.
Okay, very good. So the answer for this problem is there are 67,900 ice creams that she sell. Okay, thank you. So that's the solution. So first is we minus 3,500 from 35,700. So the answer was 32,200. And then we add 32,200 plus 35,700. So that give us an answer of 67,900. Okay, check your answer. Okay, now everybody turn your book to page, oh, it's still in number 24. Let's answer the mastery practice 2. Here, mastery practice 2. Let's try to answer this, okay? We'll answer this together. All right, so I'm going to read the section A. For each question, 4 answer options, A, B, C, and D are given. Choose the correct answer and write its letter in the brackets provided. Okay, for number 1 class, add 6,252 and 1,735. So what is the answer? A, B, C, or D?
C.
Letter?
C.
Okay, that's letter C. Here, write letter C. Number 2, that's on page number 25. Number 2, subtract 5,264 from 9,477. Is it A, B, or C, or D?
D.
What letter?
D.
Letter B, that's 4,213. Sit down properly. All right, number 3. What is 5,522 minus 3,377?
A.
Very good, Pan Pan. The answer is letter A, which is 2,145. Very good. Number 4, find the sum of 42,816 and 27,349.
D.
What is letter D?
B. D.
B, that's 70,165. All right, number 5. Find the sum of 24,170 and 33,716. A, B, C, or D?
C.
What letter?
C.
It's letter C. 63,200. Okay. Number 6. Number 6. Find the value of 25,461 minus 13,753 plus 40,906. Is it letter A, B, C, or D?
D. D.
Letter D, so that's 52,614. All right, now number 7. Number 7, I want someone to read number 7. Milene, number 7, can you read number 7, please?
Make
Mickey,
Mickey
so
so 43,000 coconut last month he sell
Sold.
three sold 38,600 coconut
38,000.
38,600 coconut. This month, how many coconut did he sell in the 2 months?
Okay, so Mickey sold 43,500 coconuts last month, and he sold 38,360 last or this month. How many coconuts did he sell in the 2 months? A, B, C, or D?
A.
Letter?
A.
No, it's letter C. 82,100. Okay, number 8, page number 26. All right, Pan Big, can you read number 8, please? Took part, pupils.
Pupil took part in a wreck to 29,136 of them were girls. How many boys were there?
Okay, so 712 pupils took part in a race, and 29,136 of them were girls. How many boys were there? So all you have to do is to minus 29,136 from 65,712. Is it letter A, B, C, or a D?
B.
What letter?
B.
Okay, the answer is letter D. Oh. And then for number 9, I'm going to read now. Maud walked 45,800 steps last week and 4,500 fewer steps this week. How many steps did she walk in the 2 weeks? So you just have to add it and multiply, okay? So the answer would be 87,100. That's letter B. And then for number 10, Mong typed 2,225 words in 1 hour. His sister typed 145 more words in 1 hour. What is the total number of words they typed in 1 hour? So that's gonna be 4,595. That's letter C. Okay, next number 11. Oh, section B, I'm sorry. Section B, this is in page number 26, okay? For each question, show your working clearly. All right, so for number 1, Milin, can you read number 1? Oh no, Pin number 1.
There are 2
23,000.
23,000.
23,560.
Document. Words in document.
Words in document
A.
A and 19,542.
Words.
Words in document B.
B.
What is the total number of words in the two documents?
Very good, Pin. So I'm going to read one more time. There are 23,560 words in document A and 19,542 words in document B. What is the total number of words in the two documents? So you just have to plus, okay, add 23,560 words plus 19,542. What's the answer? Yes?
Number 8, 19. What the answer?
Number 8 is letter D.
Number 9.
Number 9 is letter B, and number 10 is letter C.
Okay.
All right, so here, what's the answer, class? You just have to add 23,560 and 19,542. $23,560 plus 19,542. What's the answer? $23,560 plus 19,542. You just have to add.
$43,102.
Very good. So the answer is 43,102. Okay, number 2. Let me call Bonam. Can you read number 2? Machine.
Machine can pick up 16,500
Pills.
pills in 1 hour, making you can pack 20,000 pills in 1 hour.
1 hour. Okay, thank you. Letter A. Which
machine can pack more pills in 1 hour.
Oh, very good. Thank you, Tonam. I'm gonna read one more time, okay? Machine P can pack 16,500 pills in 1 hour. Machine Q can pack 20,000 pills in 1 hour. Question letter A. Which machine can pack more pills in 1 hour? Which machine? Is it machine P or machine Q? Is it machine P or
36,500.
no? We will talk about machine, okay? Which machine? Machine P or machine Q? Which one is bigger? Class, which one is greater? 16,500 or machine Q?
Teacher Maria,
Yes?
may I go to the toilet, please?
Yes, you may. Class, machine P can pack 16,500 pills and machine Q can pack 20,000 pills in 1 hour. So which machine can pack more pills in 1 hour?
Machine Q.
Very good. So the answer is machine Q. And letter B. How many more pills can it pack? So you have to minus 16,500 pills minus 20,000 pills. And you will get the answer in letter B. So 20,000 minus 16,500. So how many more pills can it pack?
Mihoshi.
Okay, Hushi, what's the answer? Yes, Hushi?
3,500.
Very good. So the answer is 3,500 pack. Machine Q can pack more, okay? So again, 20,000 minus 16,500 is equals to 3,500. So this is the number of pills that machine Q can pack in 1 hour, okay? All right, now let's proceed to number 3. Number 3, I'm going to call someone. Guitar. Can you read number 3? This one. Anday may cup.
No.
Ah, okay. May pelay. What about tunkao?
Yeah.
Tunkao, number 3. Hello, Tunkao, are you there? Tunkao, turn on your microphone.
There are 24,351 trees
in orchard X and 24,500 trees in orchard Y. Which orchard has more trees?
Ah, okay. I'm gonna read one more time. There are
There are
24,351 trees
24,000.
in Orchard X and 24,500 trees in Orchard Y. The question, which orchard has more trees? Orchard X me 34,351 ใช่ไหม and Orchard Y me or have 24,503. So which one is greater or more? Orchard Y or Orchard X?
Orchard Y.
Orchard Y, okay. So the answer for letter A is Orchard Y. Because Orchard Y has the greatest number of trees, which is 24,503. Okay, number two. Oh, no, letter B. How many more trees are there? So you just have to minus Orchard X from Orchard Y. So minus 24,351 minus 24,503. All right, so you have to minus 24,351 from 24,503. So you will get the answer for letter B. What's the answer? Class, anyone?
Me, Hoshi.
Okay, Hushi, what's the answer?
152.
152. Are you sure?
Sure.
Okay, so the correct answer is 152. Very good, Hushi. All right, number 4. I'm going to call someone. What about Ivy? Ivy, can you read number 4, please?
In a
City.
city, there are
There are like
there
60,000
6,400
men.
men and
Women
women
all together.
altogether. There are 5,246 more women than men. How many women are there in the kitchen?
Okay, thank you, Ivy. So I'm going to read the problem one more time. In a city, there are 60,400 men and women altogether. there are 5,246 more women than men. How many women are there in the city? Again, in a city, there are 60,400 men and women altogether. There are 5,246 more women than men. Okay? The question is, how many women are there in the city? Men is puchay, okay? Men is puchay, women is puying. Me, 60,400 puchay and puying together. How many women are there in the city? Let's see. Class, the answer is 32,823. I'm gonna explain it to you. So first is this one, right? The number of men and women altogether. So we will minus 5,246 here. So that's 55,154. And then 55,154 we divide by 2. Why 2? Tamay, because we have men and women. Okay, so we divided by 2 because there are men and women. 55,154 divided by 2, that's 27,577. Now, for us to get the number of women in the city, so we will add 27,577 plus 5,246. So the answer would be 32,823 women. Okay, you write the answer.
Finish, teacher.
Okay, very good. Are you done? Let me know if you're done, okay? Just say, teacher, I'm done. Okay, very good.
I'm done. I'm done. Teacher, I'm done. I'm done.
I'm done.
I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done.
Okay, very good. Okay, so class, let's answer the challenge question, okay? Page number 27, so same page. All right, so let's try to find the missing number. So we have A, B, C, and D. All right, so let's try to find the missing number for letter A. What do you think are the missing numbers? Let's start here. Here. Here and here. What is the missing number? Okay. Anyone who wants to answer for letter A?
2.
2. Okay, very good. What about here?
6.
6 law? No.
7.
7. Okay, 7. What about here?
5.
Very good. 5. And what about here?
9.
9. Okay, good job. Letter B.
อันนี้ต้องทดหนึ่งเป็น9เออ
Letter B class. 2. 0. Next.
0.
0 next.
0.
0 next.
0.
0 next.
9.
Okay, very good. So that's 90,000. Letter C.
8.
8.
6.
6. Okay.
Six.
6. Very good. Next.
2.
2. And then next.
5.
5. Very good. 52,346. And letter D.
3.
Very good. Next.
7.
7. Very good. Next.
2.
Very good. Next.
3.
Yay. Good job, kids. Finish? Are you done?
I'm done, teacher.
I'm done,
Okay, very good. All right, so kids, you study chapter 1 and chapter 2. That's gonna be the coverage for your midterm test, okay? All right, so good luck. So good luck on your test next week. Thank you, class.
Thank you.
Thank you.